Hi everyone, I'm here with my pupil today. We're going to look at some meeting situations and traffic lights turning right. So we're coming up to a narrow road. So if you look ahead, we've got space for one car at a time. Yeah. So you've got a van coming towards you. We're going to stop near the white car, but we're not going to come too close in. We might not have to stop depending on the speed it comes at. It's not stopping. What you're going to check, yeah, and then move out. But make sure you don't come too close. You came a bit too close to the curb then. Right, is this van going to stop for us? Yes, so we carry on. It's identified we were already here. Yeah. Now come to the left, clutch down and stop. Let it pass, get you by. Not too close to the park car. Oh, you nearly hit that car. That was too close. Oh. You were about 2 inches away from it. End of the road, we're going to go left. Right, the traffic lights turn right. Right's that way, not left. That way you're going to position. Yeah. You're going to do that clutch. Good. Now on this one, look, the junction is quite small. Yep. Now you can't get too close to the car coming, but also the cars on your left need a bit of space to go forward. So we can't go too forward, almost going straight, just a tiny little flick to the right. Now there's not much traffic in front, so you might not have to stop for long. But the road we're going into is quite narrow as well. That's it, just keep it straight here, straighten up. That's it, slowly does it. Good. And then do that, that's it. Just a little bit more gas. You don't want to go too slow. Right, another meeting situation here. You might not have to stop on this one. Equal space on both sides. Right, good. Right, here we have another meeting situation. You've got a car coming towards you. There's space to go through slowly. Will you speed up? Right, at the head of the traffic lights I want you to go right. Now if you look, you've got cars parked on both sides. You've got some cars coming towards you. Don't get too close to the parked cars. Move away from this car. So we're going to go right. Yeah. When we start moving, then do your mirror signal. Not too close. Right. More gas. More gas. Do your second gear now. Again, going up there. Here you go. Yep, that's the one. But don't oversteer it, otherwise you're going to go too close to the curb. Or the island in the middle. Yeah. Follow, try and create a line and follow the curb. Right, the traffic lights go right. What do you need to do here? Cover your brake. Just a little bit more. That's good. And off you go. That was good. Traffic lights go right.
Right.
Yeah. The faded cycle line. Again, this junction is just a little bit staggered, so make sure if you're going to have to wait in the middle, so a lot of traffic coming, Don't obstruct them. Yep. Because you've just slightly gone over this centre line. So you're just going to have to straighten up a little bit to the left. Can you see the box in the middle, the tarmac? Can you see the lines? Just kind of follow them lines there. A little bit more, a little bit to the right, clutch down and stop. That's it, yeah. So these cars can get past now. You're not obstructing these. You just wait for your gap or when the lights change. Yeah, did you see the flash? Yeah, so it's giving you away. I wish they wouldn't do that when I'm trying to teach. Yeah, but that was good positioning in the middle. And carry on. So traffic lights go right. Now you've got a bus in front of us and you've left a space of tyres and tarmac. So it needs to be a little bit more than that. Because if they can't see you in the side mirrors, they don't know we're behind. So traffic lights go right. Right. We're going right. What are you going to do with that clutch? Good. You'll get used to that, people cutting you up like that. Just a second. Take the road on the right, just after the zebra crossing, and then you're going into a narrow road, 20 mile zone, so there might be a meeting situation there. What else do you need to do? How are you going to slow it down? Oh, what gear are you in? You've got to keep going. There's a car coming towards you. You need to go. Oh, you press the clutch down, start the car, clutch up to the bike, slowly come off the clutch and steer. Yeah. Straighten up. Let's just steer with this. Right, so your approach was too quick. You fast and then you went into the wrong gear, causing it to stall. Yeah. Remember, mirror signal, slow down second gear before you get to the turn. Don't cross the line, make sure you keep to the left of the line unless there's a waiting box. Don't get too close to these parked cars. A meeting situation doesn't have to have a car coming towards you, it can just be a narrow road, but you've got to think about slowing down. Now what we're going to do here, you've got space to go through, but not too fast. At the end of the road, the traffic lights go right, so first mirror signal to go to the right side of the road, and then traffic lights go right. You can just leave it on if you want. Put the signal back on, mirror signal. So bigger junction, yeah. So your positioning's been okay so far. Now you've got a car ahead of you that's going to go right in front of us. He will give you the space, yeah. You just got to position, so they're going to kind of position like this. He's going to come this way. Yeah, I'm going to go that, but you don't want to get too close to them. Don't pull out too much, you don't want to obstruct the cars coming towards you. Right. Now, have you got a gap? So that's it. Well done. A little bit more gas. That was good. Mirror check. Think that was a bit early? Yeah. Two faded lines. Good. Mirrors. That's it, nice and slow. Press, cover that brake. Good, that's it, no more, no more. Oh, look, the arrow's on. Good. Not bad at all. So you have a go at this one here. You got a car coming towards you. Think about what you need to do. Mirror, mirror. Good. Good. As long as you don't rush, yeah, and just take your time. They're giving you way. Make sure it's safe to go through. There we go. Ease off, speed up. So here is just less space, less speed. So there's nothing coming. What do you need to check first? Yeah. Whilst there's nothing coming, like you equal space. Just a little bit to the right, so you don't get too close to these cars. Good. Can you get past? Good. Good. What are you going to do with this one? Good. What hazard have you got on your left? Door. Now look, you've got a bigger vehicle coming. Have you got anywhere you can stop? Yeah, but don't get too close to the parked car. No, he's moving out of the way, so you're okay. Check your mirror to move away from the parked cars. Alright, now look here. It's getting narrow. Can we get past before the oncoming car? Yeah. Move that way. No. Not bad at all.